you guys, it's Shundara. There is a lot we have to discuss with the green tea face mask situation. It's almost like I literally was a guinea pig for this situation. I was using the Freeman Beautiful Peel-Off Mask. There's like none left, just like a little bit. Now, I didn't want to mix my skincare, but I am gonna kind of mix peel-off masks, so don't get mad at me. I'm letting y'all know. This is actually a dupe for the Freeman one, so it is a dupe.
I've been crying all these tears for a reason. They came and went like seasons. But I want this to stay for as long as you can, 'cause I've been searching and searching for you, and I can't help but smile when you're near, 'cause you make me throw away my fears. And
I do want to say this. I am going to let this sit overnight for 24 hours just so the green tea can like kind of fuse with the peel-off face mask, because most of the times brands use extracts instead of actual powders. Extracts, they tend to perform better on the skin. Anytime if you're using tinctures, most of the times things perform better as a liquid form in skincare, health care for the body in general.
can you hold on to my heart so slow? 'Cause there's so many ways this could go, and there's so much that I don't know. So please love me slow. We need to take this love thing slow, 'cause there's so many ways this could go, and there's so much that I don't know. So can we take this love thing slow?
Okay, you guys, so I finished applying the green tea matcha face mask DIY that I made. I'm feeling really excited. I'm gonna let it dry, then we'll come back to peel it off. I think my only worry about the green tea peel-off mask is that eventually it will turn brown once it hits the air a lot. Now, see, I'm really concerned because of my edges, so, ooh, Lord. Oh, pray for me, y'all, pray for me, because the edges, oh, I'm gonna have to go around them. I wasn't thinking. Oh my God, I'm so scared. What do you guys think? Here is my cheek, here's my other cheek, here's my chin, and here is my forehead. Do I look real fair and lovely to you guys? I'm feeling fair and I'm feeling lovely. So today is day 2, and as I was taking it off, I was about to like look up some benefits of using a green tea peel-off mask every day. That's how she is. Shh, mommy's talking to the skincare addict family. Can you like shh? Can you please? She gets scared when I scare you guys. It's like, watch it. She's about to be so scared. Hold on.
Mommy, I'm not
Rah! When I do these videos, she's like literally always around. Kid you not. Rah! Say hi. Hi. Anyways, you guys. I'm sorry. So anyways, you guys, I really couldn't find any information on using it every day. So I think it's actually worse. So apparently I'm just the guinea pig for this situation. And it's already day 2. I'm scaring Sonomi. Rah. So doing this every day, I'm realizing my skin is getting a little bit irritated, you guys. But we shall see. I've already used it. I'm actually shocked it didn't get my edges this time. But I kind of like pulled my headband down. It will literally make you bald-headed on the sides. So I'm just letting you know, be careful with your edges. I noticed thinning hair. Many of you know I cleanse and then mask and then go in with toners and serums. And I'm about to put this moisturizer on. It's from the brand Hero Cosmetics. It's part of their Clear collection. It's the Clear Collective. Let me talk about my experience so far, because literally I can't believe I've actually put a peel off mask on every day. So the very first day it was like a normal regular peel off mask. The second day I felt like I was looking fair and lovely like I did the first day. The third day my skin was looking a little irritated, like I was breaking out, so I was really concerned. The fourth day I'm experiencing a little bit more texture than usual, but I would say so far so good, because I've been really doubling up on serums and moisturizers. Is that I will literally get a lot of like blackheads and stuff. Haven't got them yet since I've been using this green tea peel off mask every day. I'm about to peel a mask off. Oh, hi, Chicky Nana. Yes, mommy is help pulling. You want to help mommy pull it off? Here, help mommy pull it off. Come on, you pull this part. You guys, oh, be gentle.
Wow, your eyes so pretty, Freckle.
Yours are pretty too. Come on, help mommy pull off the green tea mask.
Oh.
I'll get this side, you get that side. Oh my God, I have a really cute glow today. Wow, my edges don't look bad either, you guys.
You got glue on your feet.
No, it's not glue, it's a peel off face mask. See, there it is. That's the last piece. Did you see? Okay, girlfriend, okay. Okay, thank you, Sonomi.
Mommy, you got the glue.
It's not glue, it's, can you say peel off mask?
Pillow.
Yes, it's a pillow. Okay, girlfriend. Say, do you like my cute dress?
You like my cute dress, Mommy?
Yes, it's so beautiful. You're supposed to tell your family. Say hi, family.
Hi, Family.
You know, you have to wait. Look here. Say hi.
Hi.
Say, is my dress cute?
Yeah, it's my dress cute.
I don't think we are going to make it to the 10 to 12 days. I kind of wanted to do this mask because normally I go for 8 days straight, but I wanted to make it a little longer because, you know, I have an obsession with green tea. However, the DIY mask is amazing. I just don't think it was a great idea for me to put it on my face every day for like 8 days. Like, my face is getting really raw. Like, you guys, look at this. Light's really wonderful. Like, you see the redness, the irritation. Look at, you guys, it looks horrible. Like, I am completely broken out. This is more than just texture. Oh God, I'm gonna start itching again. I don't want to go to the dermatologist. Any assistants out there who, you know, you assist online dermatologists, do y'all ever go? I'm just curious. You know, I gotta throw shade at the many assistant dermatologists who have online dermatologists. Because, you know, they love to be spewing they facts on this channel. But that's another story for another time. With that being said, you guys, I've been using a lot of soothing products to like calm down a lot of the redness and irritation, because I've been out here looking like an orange blueberry. So now I'm going in with a soothing mask with chamomile extract. Ironically, it's a green tea mask. I cannot. There is one positive during this whole challenge, is the color still looks okay. It just turned a dark green. It's not as vibrant, but it's still a beautiful dark green. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So it's a pretty color. It's like I made my own magical matcha DIY green tea peel off mask that I should start selling. So here are my final thoughts on a green tea peel off mask every day. Girl, don't do it. It really irritated my skin. I think it disrupted my moisture barrier. But you know the good news, I had less blackheads, less ingrown hairs, and less like whiteheads. So that was a good thing. However, when I just decided to apply some lactic acid, my face was literally burning and really sensitive. 2 to 3 times a week is the recommendation, and I definitely will be sticking to that. But I do want to say on a positive note, aside from the blackheads, the green tea infused with the peel off mask was really amazing to my skin. So, you know, I felt as my moisture barrier was being disrupted, I was getting a lot of detoxifying properties. Look, that's just what I was feeling at the time. With that being said, you guys, let me know all your thoughts in the comments down below. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video. And make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.